Hi, it's Michael coming to you from the ASP training room. You know, we've built our reputation in law enforcement by creating and supplying some of the most innovative, effective, and reliable tools on the officer's duty belt. And our Ultra Cuffs are a prime example. These tough, fast, precise restraints are packed with unique features, one of the most notable of which is the removable lock set. This modular part can be replaced in under a minute in the field or at the armorer's bench, so your Ultra Cuffs never need to be taken out of service. In this video, I'll show you the steps for lock set replacement specifically for our Ultra Plus cuff models. Those are the ones with the keyless double locking feature identified by the recessed button on the frame edge. The only item required is this lock set tool included with our available repair kit. If you don't have our tool, a thin punch or awl will suffice. First, open the cuffs all the way, then push to engage the double lock. Next, insert the tool in the square access hole just above the double lock button, gently pressing on the lock set release tab below the hole. Don't apply excessive pressure. While pressing, work the tool in an upward direction until the lock set is unseated. You can tell it's unseated by gently pushing up on the bottom of the double lock button. If you've properly released the tab, the button will easily start to move up out of its slot. Put the tool between the double bars and under the now loose edge of the lock set to lever it the rest of the way out. Always discard any non-working or damaged lock set, and be sure the inside of the handcuff frame is free of dirt and debris. To install the new lock set, make sure the double lock button on the replacement is pressed in. Then, first insert the edge of the lock set closest to the keyway at an angle. Finally, press the other end of the lock set into place, using the tool to make sure it's fully seated. Use a handcuff key to disengage the double lock, cycle the bow several times, and function check. Whenever servicing handcuffs, it's a good idea to apply a drop of our Glide handcuff oil or another quality lightweight lubricant to the bow pivot and pawl. Clean off any excess and cycle a few more times. That's all there is to it. Your Ultra Plus cuffs are good as new and ready to hit the streets. I hope you found this video helpful and that you stay safe.